Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the spark plugs on your John Deere D130. This is also going to be the same process for the D140 as they both have the 22 horsepower engine. This project only takes a few minutes to complete and very minimal tools, so let's get started. For the spark plugs, I'm going to be using the LG 275 John Deere home maintenance kit. I picked this kit up online. It comes with the 2 required spark plugs. It also comes with all the other parts that you need for the 50-hour maintenance, including the oil filter, fuel filter, and air filter. I recently put up videos on how to replace those as well. For the tools, you're going to need a torque wrench if you have one. If not, you can use a socket ratchet. You also need a 5/8 inch spark plug socket, and you also may need an extension. I'll leave a link down in the description below of all the tools and parts I used. So there's going to be 2 spark plugs on this engine. There's going to be one on the left side and one on the other side. Alright, so let's go ahead and remove the spark plug wire first. You're going to need a 5/8 inch spark plug socket. It's going to have the rubber boot in it. Go ahead and slide that over the old spark plug and remove it. As you can see, these were not too bad, but I'm going to go ahead and change them out anyway. Alright, so here's the new plug and the old plug. These do come pre-gapped, but if you want to check them, they should be 0.03 inches on the gap. I'm going to put a little bit of anti-seize on my plugs. This isn't really necessary, but I like to put a little bit on there, not a lot, just so when I take and change them again, they'll be much easier to take off. Just a little bit, doesn't have to be a lot. And you want to make sure you don't get any on the actual tip. Take your plug socket. You just want to get it started in there. You want to make sure you don't cross thread it, so just make sure you take your time with it until you feel it start spinning in there easily. And tighten this up. It's actually 15 foot-pounds when you torque them. If you don't have a torque wrench, then just tighten them up till they're snug, and then give it like a quarter turn. You don't need to over tighten these. It's as tight as they need to be. And then just replace your plug wire on the plug. And then just repeat the same process on the other side. Alright, now we're going to come to the other side of the engine. Let's go ahead and remove the plug wire. And you're good to go. And lastly, I'm just going to reinstall the cover that we took off originally. Slides into those little grooves, screw lines up back on the frame, and then tighten it up. And then do the same thing on the other side. Alright, well that's how you change the spark plugs. If you found the video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching. What is going on here?